everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Joy Hingpit. So, thank you so much sa inyong suporta guys. Ito po yung ating beef curry. So, tara, magluto po tayo. So, ang gagawin natin, i-pound natin yung ating ginger. So, napakadali lang nito guys. So, after nyan, i-pound na din natin yung ating shallots or small onion at yung ating garlic. So, kung meron kayong ganyan guys, so madali lang, pwede nyo rin ding i-blender. So, ito na po yung kalabasan ng ating ginger, onion, and garlic. So, ito po yung ating curry powder. So, lagyan natin ng konting tubig until makagawa po tayo ng paste or curry paste. So, mix lang natin until makuha natin yung perfect na texture ng ating curry paste. At ilagay natin yung ating na-pound na ginger and garlic and onion. So, mix lang natin until well combine lahat. So, napakasimple lang po itong lutuin guys. So, ngayon ilagay ko na po yung ating beef. So, i-marinate muna natin to para manuot talaga yung sarap sa meat ng ating beef. So, marinate lang natin at kailangan ma-coat lahat ang ating beef sa ating curry paste with onion, garlic, and ginger. So, mix lang natin until well combined. At, syempre, takpan natin and leave it for 1 hour or overnight. So, ito sa akin, 1 hour lang to guys. And sit aside muna natin. So, after 1 hour, ito na po yun guys. So, nagpainit po tayo ng mantika. So, ilagay natin yung ating cinnamon stick, star anise, cardamom. At ngayon, i-fry natin saglit until aromatic. At ngayon, ilagay din natin yung ating onion. So, mix lang natin until translucent yung ating onion, guys. So, madali lang itong lutuin, guys. At simple lang din. At ngayon, ilagay natin yung ating marinated beef. So, i-fry lang natin para mabango po siya yung ating beef curry. So, fry lang natin until lumabas yung aromatic ng ating mga spices at yung ating curry paste. So, ganoon lang po kasimple magluto ng beef curry guys. So, hopefully you will like it my video. Char! So, ngayon nilagyan ko na po ng water. Hot water yung nilagay ko para madali po siyang kumulo. So, mix lang natin para mahalo ng mabuti yung ating mga spices at yung ating curry paste at yung ating beef. So, lagyan natin ng tubig na tamang-tama lang na matakpan yung ating beef. So, ngayon, lagyan natin ng fish sauce or patis sa atin. Haluin saglit. At after nyan guys, takpan natin until lumambot yung ating beef curry. At ngayon guys, malambot na po yung ating beef curry. Nilagyan ko na po siya ng coconut cream. And look at that guys. Napakasarap nito. At talagang napaka-tasty. So, at saka napakadali lang pong lutuin. Very easy po guys. So, yan na po yung ating beef curry. So, meron tayong ilagay dyan guys para maging mabango lalo ang ating beef curry, yung ating kaffir lime. So, pag nilagyan nyo ng kaffir lime guys, talagang yung bango niya at talagang masabi mo na ang sarap niya talaga. I-try nyo guys. Lagyan nyo ng kaffir lime yung yung niluto yung curry. So, napakabango niya at napakasarap at napakalasa talaga. Yan, look at that guys. Napaka-creamy ang ating beef curry. And so yummy. So, this is it. Ang ating finished product ng ating beef curry. Hopefully, you will enjoy my video guys. My recipe, beef curry na napaka-yummy. So, maraming salamat sa mga sumuporta sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na kayo maisa-isa. Maraming salamat. Thank you for watching. God bless us all. Bye for now.